Hi guys, straight into the rubbish. I've been unloading this cupboard. Now, pretty sure these will go in an E30. These are from 1986, they're oil filled and they're still good. I'm going to roll a bunch of these out. I think they will go in the back. But yeah, getting there. Slowly but surely, getting all the shelf pulled apart, all the shit out of there. Right, always coffee. Getting these cupboards all pulled out, all pulled apart. Now, because we're preparing, EHEJ stuff, gaskets, books, old Holden power stick, fuel pumps, glass bowls, gearboxes, fans. We've got a manual wheel balancer, we've got oil pumps, we've got jerry cans and Alice sumps, we've got everything, including some Sid Chrome goodies. Just cases, but yeah. Oh, I've got another table to put on yet. I have... wish the ute sat at that height all the time. Oh, check that out. You can see the effect of my light, but my eyes can't see that. It's interesting. LEDs are a funny thing. Rightio. So, I like this. EH Wagon tailgate. Mint. No rust. We're talking like mint. Yeah. Someone gives us $50. I'll be happy with that. So yeah, I've got to throw some of the Ampol overalls on. They'll go. We're going to throw this trolley on the back. Come on, focus. Oh. Nope. Something's going on. There we go. Yeah. Trolley. Oh, heaps of old toolboxes and stuff going. So yeah, we've actually cleaned up a fair bit. Joe and I have done a bunch of stuff today, so we only had from about 1 o'clock onwards to do it. And then we've got to tackle this ridiculously stupid dirty bench. If one of my Adelaide family members wants it, all you guys are family, you know the drill, share the love. Someone wants this bench. It's got a nice hard top. It'd be good in someone's shed. It's going to be heavy to lift. Steel surround. Yada yada yada. Won't have a vice on it. I'll keep the dawn. But yeah, if someone wants this for their shed, it is a real heavy duty bench for a wood bench. But yeah, if someone wants it, they can have it. We can help you load it. There's another bench over here. If someone wants that one, that's like a counter. They can have that too. If they don't go to a good home, they'll get smashed up and burnt. So yeah, I'd rather somebody have them. And this one looks like it's had a steel top fitted along with some angle. So yeah, but yeah, getting there, guys, getting there. I hope you're enjoying your Saturday. We're just dealing with the mess. Thanks. Should have some. I might do a couple of shorts tomorrow at the swap meet and go from there.